Hello traders, it's me Krasimir Panayotov and we are back in the YouTube channel with another scalping trading video special for you, just to share with you some of my strategies and how I enter positions in the forex market, and maybe to inspire you, or maybe just you to have another point of vision on the market. I basically use very simple price action strategies, and this is what I'm about to show you today. So today I took two trades. One is the New Zealand dollar cat, which is still running, and the other is the gold USD chart. So let's go to the 4-hour and the daily and see what we have here. Pretty choppy chart on the daily. And yesterday I tried to buy gold somewhere here. The price went up, but then it went back down and couldn't make any profit. Now let's see why I entered somewhere here today, and this is how I have seen the market. First of all, you see this is the Fibonacci level, but before that you can see that this move to the downside goes with very small candles, right? While the upper trend, the previous trend, was with huge candles, and I decided that this can be just a correction of this whole big move. So I took my Fibonacci 2, extended to the upper side of the trend, and I see that the price reached the 61% zone area, which is usually an area where you can look for buys when it's on the bullish market. Now I go to the 1-hour and the price is still slowly going down, but there is no major crash or something like this. So I'm looking for a bullish opportunity, and it was the 15-minute chart. So the chart was looking just like this, okay? And I see this big green candle, and I see, okay, here and here we had a little bounce, right? Here we had a little bullish push, here we had another bullish push, but the price couldn't break up higher. So I see this small candlestick right here, and I decided to take a buy position with a very tiny stop loss. So I believe I set my stop loss a few pips below this low, so I can just have a little bit room in case of the price just make some little lower low like the previous times. Okay, but then what happens? After 2-3 candles, the price closes here, and on the 1-hour chart you can see a bullish engulfing candle. This is the exactly first candle of the 1-hour chart. So what do I decide? Okay, that's a sign, bullish engulfing from a support area. Let's take another buy. So I added to my position. I waited a few pips to go above the candle, so I can have this confirmation. And after this, the price really corrected a little bit to the downside, but then closed with a second bullish candle, and that's two very strong bullish candles, guys, which is a very strong signal to the upside. Okay, I already have had the two trades, and then you can see on the 15 minutes that we have actually had a little bit of resistance here, and with the second hour, let me see how it goes. Okay, on the second hour the price broke this level, and for a very short amount of time the price went crazy bullish, reaching this high here, which was at a resistance zone. You see this highs over here, that is our resistance. So I didn't see that immediately because I was off the charts. The price went a little bit back lower, and I closed my first take profit target somewhere here. That was a good trade already. Actually, my target was a little bit higher. I will show you exactly. It was this high over here. So I was going to take profit here, but because the move was so big and so fast, I decided to get some profits and look for some correction. Okay, then on the 15-minute chart, let's go back. The price started correcting, but I was thinking, that's a pretty big bullish move. You see how the third hour candle closed. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna take another buy. So I took another buy. The price went back bullish, closed, spiked above these previous highs. I decided that okay, the big institutions sometimes target the stop loss which are above the high. So why not the banks to wait for this level to go short the pair? And this is what happened on the 15-minute chart. You can see that after we break this high, the price went back, correcting all the way down to this area right here. So somewhere here I have closed my profits and I have bought here. Again, it was a very nice trade because what I just did is I took the Fibonacci 2 again, this time from the latest bullish impulse, and I'm looking where is the 50% zone. Okay, I apply the same strategy that I'm gonna buy not exactly at this low right here, but a little bit lower, near the 50%. So I took a buy somewhere here, I believe. The price really spiked back up, and I decided that's all for today. I have already made like 1% on these 2-3 trades, and I have closed everything, and now I'm observing. Actually, I was thinking to let one position go run all the way up to this target or even higher, because on the 4-hour chart you can see some nice take profit targets a little bit higher on the daily resistance. So I could let actually these trades, but that's okay. Now let's check out the New Zealand cat trade. And on this chart, guys, I was selling yesterday after this double. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. So here is the double top pattern, right? We have the double top, the neckline, and after we break, we could enter a sell trade. I enter at the retest, so this was a clean move. Oh no, yesterday I was a little bit late on this, so we already have had this consolidation. I entered after we broke this support area right here, so I waited for a pullback. It didn't broke the resistance, the support which turned resistance, so I entered a sell trade, 2 small trades, and I have taken profit somewhere here where I was having a waiting buy order. And why I was having this buy limit, because if we apply the Fibonacci tool, this is something which I often do in my trading, there is the 50% and the 61%. So I wanted to buy exactly at the support area, maybe a little bit earlier and between these two zones. So today I wake up and I see that I have closed while I was sleeping. The chart closed my take profits on the sell trade and entered the buy trade, which is a little bit bigger but not something significant. So it's a small trade here, guys. I have set my stop loss below this area, but today the price was still going lower and lower. I was thinking what to do, but I let this trade go. And now you see that the price broke above this green support area. And I expect the price to continue go up higher, reaching these highs over here, or maybe it can go even higher than that. We can get back to this 83,300 zone area, which is a nice profit. And here I even prepared one more buy order at the next support, because on the left you can see we have some nice beautiful lows here which can act as a support for the price, and the price was pretty bearish. You can see that super bearish trend. So if the price decides to go back and test this zone, I will get another buy with a very small tiny stop loss. So why here? Well, let me draw again the Fibonacci numbers, and you can see that here is another level, the 78.6 zone area, which is not not the best zone, but still we can trade at it. I mostly recommend the 61.8 zone area for best retracements. And that's it for this trade, guys. I hope you are doing well. Here, if we have a little bit more of a pullback, I would maybe enter one more small trade. Or if we go back bullish, respect the resistance, and then we correct all the way back to the support area, then I can enter another second trade and wait already for a second target, which is somewhere here, and that would be a very nice profit target and a risk to reward ratio. Also here I'm more confident about this chart because here we have the bullish engulfing candle which have closed above our support area, and we are almost above the 50%, so the trade is going still well. So that's it for today. Yesterday I had two losing trades with a small losses. Actually on gold I didn't lose money. I exited on break even, so it was when I started buying somewhere here, the price spiked up but then quickly recovered. And one more trade I have had, but I already don't remember it. Okay guys, that's it for this weekly meeting with you. See you in the next videos, and peace. Successful trading. Let's get it.